Good morning. Let's get at it. That's nice. You know what, guys? I've been here before. I'm taking that trade. That was quick. 61. Here we go. 61. Perfect. Test. 61. 61. Get out of here. See you later. Back test time. That was fast. So I actually showed up this morning at pre-market, looked at my phone, and there's a nice setup going. I tried to show discipline, and it lost. So I didn't take the trade. And then I came back, and it presents its second opportunity, and I'm like, okay, let's go. It's time. So that's pretty awesome. So the rest of the stream, I'm back testing. That's the way it is. Okay. Oh yeah, this one was red. I did jump the gun a bit though. It was a bad signal. Okay, I'm not gonna look at that. This is what is super important for me. So important. Yeah. Now, technically, I need to wait. The day's gotta finish for me to get a green mark on that. Why does it still have red, green? You see that? Okay. It is good to track the percentage as well, so I'm gonna go like this. Duplicate. Oh, you know what? No. Let's do it like this. Duplicate. Drag this one here. We don't know what the percentage is yet. Giddy up. Okay. All right. What's up, viewer one? What's going on, man? Or woman? What's your name? What's your story? What are you trading? How's profitability going? Ooh, May 4th, I went too far. Okay, let's go like this. Maybe even daily. Yeah. And we're gonna push forward. That's good enough. So, I know you just joined me. I take one trade a day and I do not watch the trade. And that is a very key part of my profitability this year. So we're going to stick with it. And so I'm going to do some backtesting because I'm so behind on backtesting. Backtesting is huge for me as well, but it's been a busy season of life. Let's see if we can get some data. Right now we're focusing on this tool. This tool seems to have something there. No question. Like, this is, look at this. Now that's an ugly looking candle. I would never go long after that generally, a big top wick, but it gave you a push. Okay, so I would have had to wait for a confirmation because that top selling pressure wick wouldn't get in long. But when you get the green dot and the star with no conflicting signals on the way down and it's oversold, oh, let's go. That's a nice signal. Yeah, cool. So let's get at it. What is this? May 4th? Yeah, okay, so that'd be May 5th. Okay. Forgot to date it. Oh, yeah, there's the loss on May 5th. Okay, cool. Also, keeping note. Yep, okay, cool. But yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. Or you want to chat. I love to chat about trading. I'd love to know what you're trading. No joke, the guy who introduced this tool to me was on my stream. And I was like, indicators don't work. But I found a way to loop it into how I trade, and it's doing really well. Okay, so you would have had a green bottom there. After which candle? That one? The third candle. Okay, I don't usually get on the third candle. But in order to keep, what do I even call that? I never get in on the third green candle, but I don't know what to call this then. Alright, I'll just record it under here. It's tough to know, like, if you'd actually take that live. And then once we get a mess of this, we don't take them anymore. Once they're conflicting, so green, red, I don't take the next green. It doesn't know what's happening. That's the next green one. And you would have got stopped out, and then the third green one. Maybe I find out that the third green one's good. I don't know. Nice reaction off the moving average, but we're not tracking that right now. I want to know if there's an edge on this tool. Oh, days like that, man, it looks so good. Oh, that's actually May 8th then. See, you look at this and it doesn't look that good, but what is this? Not at level. I don't know what you mean. Oh, it means I jumped the gun. It wasn't oversold or overbought yet. Yeah. Mixed colors. We're not taking those anymore. Yeah, that's nice. I really should start taking screenshots of these. Yeah, that's a good one. Yeah, I'm doing it. Let's do this. It's just picture perfect. Copy image. No. I want that link. Copy link. Okay, and I'm gonna go like this. Links. Photos. Sometimes I don't look at them, but oh, dude, it's too early. Okay, so it's just chilling there if I want it. That's picture perfect. It's at yesterday's 5-minute high. It's at oversold. It's got the top. It's got the cross. It's got a set of tweezers. Like, oh, that is just good. You see, you can't use this tool in this area. Just a freaking mess. But then what happens here? Ooh. It pretty much called the bottom, but then you got just tiny stopped out, and the second one was, I mean, dude, this is a good tool. Okay, so I am testing on the side pre and post market. So you got annihilated on that one. Pre and post market, no good. On that one. Now the second one worked and it had the top called. Might have stopped the out. So then the first one, but it's got mixed signals. Yeah, I don't want to take mixed signals. Okay, yeah, that's it for that tool today. What am I looking at here? It's early, it's early, it's early. Okay, so that's too early for pre-market. Technically, there's a print. What time is it? Pre-market. We failed. Yeah, pretty sure we failed. 27. Yeah. So pre-market, this is why you gotta record it though. If you don't record it, you're looking at your phone that morning and you're like, this could be something. Okay, so what's the first one non-pre-market? Conflicting signals though. We don't take conflicting signals. You see that? You see that fail? That's a saved loss. Green, red, green. I'm not taking the green. It doesn't know what's happening. However, I think there's still a way to use this. When it's conflicting, you need to wait for, like, maybe the fourth green dot. What's the next one do? Well, there's no green candle. Wait for the green candle. I'm betting up. There's something there, man. There's freaking something there. Yeah, there really is. Anybody just track that? If you're watching the stream and you didn't see that, when I see conflicting crosses, I say no, you can't take it. So you show up to the chart. Here's the open right here. Okay, I just had a green candle, so I can't trust this red candle. Okay, lo and behold, it did lose. Okay, then I get another green candle. Okay, dumb. I get another red candle. No, it's conflicting. So what if you made a rule that when it's mixed signals, you can only take a third one? We don't care about the green one. We get, oh, sorry, we don't care about the red one. I'm sorry. We get a green candle, but we don't take them on a red closing candle. Okay, so we get a green dot, we're good to go. We need a green candle here. That represents itself. Boom, lift off. Now, there's going to be times where the second green cross is the winner, and you just have to let it go. So, oh, that was pre-market. That's the first one. Oh, interesting. I see. Yeah, so this would be the second green candle or cross live. Okay, well, you gotta keep working on these things. See if you can find a way to build a system. Ooh, that's a mess. But see, this tool is where it's going to help me. Well, missed some good opportunities. Let's see. Yep, that's a mess. Here's the thing. I'm going to call that conflicting. Yeah, it's totally conflicting. I gotta know what to do with that. Fuck off. Yeah, it's called conflicting. We ain't taking it. This is conflicting as well. But that's pretty nice. I don't know what to do about that. Like, you're not gonna take that? Next one. Ah, see, there's something there. If someone's rewatching this and I'm just talking gibberish, comment on what I'm talking about and I will explain. I'm looking at this and I'm looking at this and I'm finding patterns. That's beautiful. Interesting. So you have a nice set of tweezers, but then I don't take it because... But look at the crazy conflicted signals. Wouldn't even remotely consider it. And the pre-market is showing to be rubbish. Which is good, because I don't want to trade that early. Okay, so let's talk about this. Green, red. We skip the next green one. Red, what happens on the next green one? This is what I was testing. Conflicting, wait for the third signal. Breaking rights. Alright, I'm going to explain it really quick in case someone's watching this. What I've been back testing is when this tool goes into overbought territory or the reverse for selling, okay? You get the green dot, which is a wave trend cross. You go long. Okay. But I started noticing when there's a lot of conflicted signals, like this is a mess. It doesn't know what's going on. And it gives me a small push and then I'm going to go long. No. But a straight shot like this, you see this? That's cleaner. Okay. But this is not the time of day we would, or this is cleaner, but we don't trade at this time of day. When it's a conflicting signal, if I wait for the third signal, seems to do well. So watch this. Conflicting signals. I show up to the market. I go, no, okay, this is pre-market. You get the green. You get the green dot. Okay, so then I get my red. We're only looking for greens at this point because we're oversold. Here's my second green. No, because it's a freaking mess. It's conflicting. Wait, we don't care about the next red dot. We care about the next green dot. And we say, you know what? This is the third green dot it's giving us. These other ones faked out. It would have printed. Actually, this is... Okay, I gotta figure out where this prints. So it actually prints on that one. But we got our green candle. I'd be good. You get in. So, if that's the print, stop it there. Now, if I waited for another green candle, I've lost it. This is cool. But see, I'm not recording any of the... It's all messy right now. Okay, I would consider this clean, except that ugly, ugly, ugly wick. I don't want to take a short like that. But it won. That's nice. I don't think I'm skipping ugly candles. No, if it was green, of course I wouldn't take it. What's the date today on this? May 17th? Wow, we didn't have a trade for a long time. There's a pre-market that did work, but overall, I'm not taking pre-market. That printed there. Still record it. Okay, you know what? I think I'm gonna take off. There's something I want to do for the YouTube channel. And I'm always scratching for time. Heck yeah, I like this one. Okay, I gotta think for a sec. Cool set of tweezers, but it's not what I'm back testing right now. Oh yeah, that's killer, but again, not the tool. Here's the question. Is that clean? Green, red, green. I like the straight shot. It's not that messy though, so I don't know if I'd skip it. I don't know if it played out. No, it was a loss. I gotta think though about that straight shot. This is where backtesting does get tricky. It's hard to find something like factual. So this is borderline mixed signal. But funny enough, if you wait for the third green dot, it's there. And that one won. Very interesting. Yo, who's on the chat, man? I was about to shut her down because I might work on some other work, non-trading related. But I like to meet traders. Where are you from? What do you trade? How's your trading journey going? No, is that conflicting? Cool, cool, cool. Let's track that one. But the other one over there was No, you can't record this one. You gotta make sure your back testing is authentic. It's tough to do. Ooh, that's nice, but wouldn't count on the signal. Excuse me. Oh, what a mess. These are messy days. What do we got going on here? Conflicting signals. Okay, so what was the rule again? So, red, you gotta wait for the third red dot. Oh, that is ugly. It was successful, but it stopped the out first. And I don't stick around. I can't take that again. That's insane. Wow. Okay, that's the candle it prints on. Wow, that is dirty. Brutal. May 25. Loss. Oops. Okay. What to do with this data? I like this tool. I think it helps me weed out the mess. I'm just trying to think here. Yeah, I mean, in October it was insane. Like, it was wins left, right, and center. The big question becomes, is this tool adding value that I'm not already seeing without it? That's a valid question. It's a tricky one. It is giving me a little bit of context of where price is, right? Like, I'm seeing more than not that when it's in a bottom, it'll give me a push, but just might fake you out first. So normally I'd wait for a set of tweezers, which would mean I don't need this tool. There's my set of tweezers. There's a beautiful set of tweezers that this tool didn't allow me to take, so that's a winner there. This is an incredible set of tweezers that this tool wouldn't allow me to take. Okay. You see? This is why you gotta back test. Let's figure this one out. No tweezers. That would have been tempting to take. Maybe show discipline and wait for us. This is tricky. Tricky do. Nice set of tweezers. That would have won. I don't need much. Just need a push. No, I do think it helps add value, man. I'm just trying to make sense of it. What I wasn't looking at is the highs and lows. If anything, I think there's something more there. Yesterday's high and low. Look. There's something there, man. Yeah, right there, man. Okay, but then this one, that one doesn't allow you. There is something to the high and low. Then there's days like this, it won't. Dude, see, I'm not talking about what I'm seeing, but holy crap. So all I'm looking at, the red line is yesterday's daily high, okay? So I'm seeing when you get a first red candle, if you're getting a reaction, and you're freaking getting a reaction. It's insane. And vice versa with green, right? You're in the green zone, so you're considered oversold. Or yesterday's daily low, it's a big level. First green candle. Nice. This doesn't have to be the whole strategy, but like, something there. Right, like let's. Oh, frickin' it did that. It frickin' did that. I gotta put this back up. And I gotta put this back up. Okay, we're back. Right, like let's take a look at some stuff here. Okay, let's go back. Dude, backtesting takes so long. I've had some strategies that were a little more like super factual and it's quicker, but I found like you're kind of blocking yourself if you get too picky. Or too like, I will only do it when I see this exactly. It's quicker to backtest, but what are you doing? Okay, so let's compare. Let's just do this. I'm just gonna do this. April 13th. We're gonna do a quick test. Here we go, April 13th. First red candle. We're above yesterday's high. But I actually want this to be there. Okay. Was it in line with the tool? Yeah. Oh, what if you can bind them? Can you imagine? It would be an animal. Okay. First red candle. You got it. I think so. $38. It's close call. It was close. So I'm going to call it, I don't know. Oh, did I record the other one? Yeah, okay, first win. Oh, dude, this is April. Oh, guys, dude, I'm just not awake. This is April 3rd. I don't know where April 3rd is. Let's go to April 13th. Okay, April 13th was a winner. There you go. April 14th was a freaking winner. Okay. Oh, damn. Don't diddle in the middle. No trade. Oh, there'd be a gap. What day is this? 18th? Can't look at that. You got two of them. That's bananas. Don't diddle in the middle, although it is much closer to that green than it is the red. Oh, that's a stretch. I don't know what to do with that. That's a mess. No, man, I feel like you gotta be authentic here. In the data. No wonder. It's fibs. No, what if you made it backwards? Yeah, I mean, you'd have to take it if you're doing the 80% rule. But then you got another one down there that was nice. Nothing that day. Okay, then I've seen something where if the day is super, super, super strong, it won't, you'll get fake outs, but you can't, it's hard to trade like that, man. Oh, spot on. Probably would have lost. Conflicting. Okay, some fun testing. Let's